In this demonstration, I'd just like to show you how to finish the 3-colour bauble neatly, how to close off the hole so that you get this lovely joining of all the different colours with the gold sitting slightly behind. So to do this, we're going to be placing the needle in the valley rows underneath and up, bringing the green forwards, and then again in and up, bringing the red forward. So you can see how that's going to push the gold to the back and keep the other colours up onto the top. So it's just the same as before in my previous demonstration. Once we've gone all the way around and we start to pull it in, we begin to see how those colours are sitting on the top and the gold is pushed behind. Keep going round and round. Until that hole closes up nicely. Secure, once you're happy with the hole, secure those stitches with a knot. You can see that in more detail in the demonstration where I show you how to close and finish this bauble here. Once you've secured that, you're going to place your needle in and up, ready to make the hanging loop here. And again, I describe how to create the hanging loop in a previous demonstration. And that's how you close up the bauble neatly when you've got 3 colours.